Are you ready for the fantastic September KoAloha Ukulele Challenge? Well, it's coming to you now, and this is what you could win. This KoAloha, beautiful, fantastic grain on this one concert ukulele. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're into KoAloha Ukulele challenges, then this is a great channel for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to head on over to Instagram, and you can find me there at ukelikethepros. All right, so the September challenge, well, we know what you're going to win. You're going to win this right here, this exact KoAloha concert, all solid acacia wood. Check this out, beautiful. Look at that. Woo! Top, back, or sides and back. Look at that, all solid acacia wood. This thing is absolutely fantastic. This one does have a high G on it. You can switch it out for a low G though if you win it. Now, what do you have to do this? Now, this month, this September challenge, this is a general challenge. That means anybody can sign up for it. You know, I do have challenges for my members only. Those are standard and premium members at ukelikethepros.com. Matter of fact, I have one going on as well. It's the same time as this one. So you actually could do two of them if you're a member. And if you're not a member, I'll put a link of that below for ukelikethepros.com. Now, here's what you got to do. One, you got to head on over to Instagram. You got to follow ukelikethepros. That's at ukelikethepros. Two, you got to follow at KoAloha Customs on Instagram. Okay, that's the KoAloha Black Label custom shop that they have. We're going to show them a little bit of love. So go over there and support them. That's at KoAloha Customs. And then three, you have to record a video of yourself playing my original song in the mist. This is a fingerstyle piece, and it's that piece I played a little bit earlier here in the video. Now, I won't do the whole thing in this video. I'll do a separate video so you can hear that. But in order to do that, you get the sheet music at the ukelikethepros.com. That's the public forum, the free public forum. I'll put a link of that, of how you sign up for that. You can get the sheet music there. You can find out all the rules and stuff like that. But you got to get your video done by September 30th and posted by midnight. Now, you don't actually post it in the forum. Like, you don't load it to the forum. You load it here to like YouTube. You could use Vimeo or something, but you do copy that URL and then you post a URL inside the forum. That way we can all see all the videos together, and it makes it real easy to keep it organized for me and the judges, who are going to pick a winner after that September 30th deadline. So anyway, this is it. What we're going to judge for in the actual video is, yes, accuracy. This is the original piece, so you want to play it as I wrote it, so accuracy, but also other things too, your musicality, your dynamics, right? Your technique, that kind of stuff that really makes a piece stand out. Bring the notes off the piece of paper for me. Next, production, your video production, your sound production, right? So like outside videos look cool, right? But a lot of times they're super noisy, and it's really distracting if it's like windy outside. Even if you're like in front of a beautiful waterfall or something like that, it can be a little distracting. So make sure that you have nice audio. Make sure you have nice lighting for your video as well. It doesn't have to be outside. It can be inside, but let's have some nice lighting. Wild card. I like to call this wild card because something, just your personality. Do something different on the video that makes your video stand out from the rest of them as well, while you're still playing the piece, right? You still got to play the piece in the mist. So anyway, you got till September 30th to post your video to the forum here of my song in the mist. I'm really, really excited about this one, and good luck to you, because this is what's up for grab. This just absolutely stunning KoAloha, all solid acacia wood. Oh, just absolutely fabulous concert ukulele.